guys, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Vlad is here, and today I wanted to talk about the trends in the watch industry. Overall, everybody looking for the sport model right now. That's why Rolex or some Patek Philippe models are the most trending. But I wanted to talk about the classic watches, because watches always was the element of the men's wardrobe that brings attention and also very useful thing, because we need to check the times throughout the day. When we're talking about like dress watches, one of the companies that come to mind is Cartier. And when we talk about the Cartier, the most important thing is the details, because for a lot of people, they don't look at the Cartier because their design is very recognizable. You always get the Roman numerals, you always get a little bit more dressy piece. But with Cartier, you always need to take a look at the small details of the watch. And today we're going to talk about this Rotonde in a 35mm. It's a classic dress watch with a classic dress watch size from Cartier, but this one is where Cartier decided to flex their muscle and put everything that they have into this watch. So first of all, we're looking at this 35mm rose gold case, absolutely elegant. Rotonde is not the shape that Cartier makes a lot. We're talking about the round, like Cartier is more squared shaped watches or like square-like shaped watches. But up here, we're talking about the very classic round shape from Cartier, super elegant with those straight lugs that go in from the round case. The dial meets you with the guilloché finish from Cartier, which is you will see in a lot of their models, but up here it's made in this kind of like flower radiant texture, which adds a little bit more, again, details and a little bit more style to the watch. You also have a big date, which I personally love this complication. It looks very nice on the watch, especially if you make it proportional to the piece. And up here at 12 o'clock, it looks absolutely amazing. And the small second hands from Cartier. But when we're talking about the details, Cartier also put a lot of details into the movement of this watch. So even though it's not a limited edition, it's the individually numbered piece, so they didn't make a lot of them. We don't know exactly amount of production of this watch, but it's definitely a limited edition. And you have this special decorated mechanical movement from Cartier. So on all the bridges, you will see the double C sign from Cartier, and this is the manufacturer movement, which they indicated in the movement itself. It's a 9602 MC caliber, where the MC referring to the manufacturer caliber, and details come to like the smallest thing on this watch. If we look at the regulator arm up here, it's also made with the SIG, the Cartier signature. So that's how the Cartier wants to make. Like we made every single part of this watch show that it was made in Cartier factory. So very, very stunning piece. It's come with this rose gold deployant buckle from Cartier. Absolutely beautiful. So if you are interested in those details and want to get the proper dress watch at the right price, please give us a call at SwissWatchExpo. We would love to help you.